Unlocking creative flow, strategies for enhancing productivity. Title: Unlocking creative flow, strategies for enhancing productivity. Introduction: 100 words. In today's fast-paced world, being productive and fostering creativity is more important than ever. Whether you are an artist, writer, entrepreneur, or simply someone looking to enhance their problem-solving skills, tapping into your creative flow is essential. This article aims to provide a comprehensive guide on strategies to unlock your creative flow and boost productivity. By implementing the techniques and practices outlined here, you can unleash your full potential and accomplish your goals more efficiently. Understanding creative flow, 200 words. Creative flow, often referred to as being in the zone, is a state of heightened focus and immersion where time seems to fly by effortlessly. It is a mental state where one's thoughts, actions, and emotions sync harmoniously. During this state, individuals experience an increased level of productivity, concentration, and innovation. However, creative flow can be elusive, and many struggle to harness its power consistently. Creating the right environment, 300 words. One of the key factors in unlocking creative flow is creating the right environment. A conducive space minimizes distractions and maximizes focus, allowing your mind to wander freely and generate new ideas. Consider the following tips when setting up your workspace. 1. Clear the clutter. A cluttered workspace can be overwhelming and hinder creativity. Declutter your surroundings, organize your materials, and create a clean and inviting workspace. 2. Optimize lighting. Natural light is ideal, as it boosts mood and increases concentration. If that's not possible, invest in good quality artificial lighting that mimics natural sunlight. 3. Incorporate inspirational elements. Surround yourself with objects or images that inspire you. This could be artwork, photographs, quotes, or anything that resonates with your creative aspirations. Flow-inducing practices, 500 words. 1. Set clear goals. Establish clear and achievable goals before starting a creative task. Knowing what you want to accomplish helps declutter your mind and provides a sense of direction. Break larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks to maintain motivation and a sense of progress. 2. Establish rituals. Develop pre-activity routines or rituals to signal your brain that it's time to enter the creative flow state. This could be as simple as meditating, stretching, or listening to music. Stick to these rituals consistently to train your mind to shift into a focused mindset more easily. 3. Embrace mindfulness. Be fully present in the moment and pay attention to your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Practicing mindfulness, through techniques such as meditation and deep breathing, can enhance self-awareness and improve creative thinking abilities. 4. Take breaks. Sustained focus can be exhausting. Allow yourself regular breaks to recharge and relax. Experiment with different break durations, such as the Pomodoro technique, working for 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break, to find what works best for you. 5. Engage in physical activity. Exercise has been proven to boost creativity and productivity. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine to stimulate your brain and enhance cognitive function. 6. Seek inspiration. Expose yourself to a variety of stimuli, such as books,